Hello, good morning. Welcome to Dubai Butterfly Garden. My name is Thea. I am your tour guide for this morning. So we'll proceed to the museum area, which we first see when you go inside here in the garden. As you can see, we have all the dead butterflies, the different types of butterflies that we also sell. So we also sell those type of souvenirs for our dear guests. Every day we collect dead butterflies inside the garden, and when we collect good ones, such as these beautiful butterflies, we send them to our production team and they make the frames. We did this one because we have tour guides for the kids. So we explain to them what are the differences with butterflies from female and male. Let's start here in zone 1. So now we have 3 sections here. We divided the butterflies into 3 sections. We have from Costa Rica, Philippines, and Thailand. We have a lot of different types of butterflies inside the garden, around 50 to 60 varieties of butterflies, mainly from Costa Rica, Philippines, and Thailand, such as the paper kite butterfly, the beautiful blue morpha butterfly, the giant owl butterfly, the great Mormon butterfly, and the egg fly butterfly, and others, as well as we have here the largest moth in the world, which is the Atlas moth. In the whole garden, approximately we have 10 to 15,000 alive butterflies. We have built-in ACs inside the garden, which we monitor and control according to the needs of our butterflies, plants, and guests. So we maintain 24 to 30 degrees Celsius maximum. Regularly, we give the butterflies rotten fruits such as the bananas and oranges, aside from the nectars that they are getting from our flowers inside. And additional note as well, butterflies live up to 2 to 3 weeks only. This area, this is the gazebo, which we intend to put butterflies also inside so that our guests can interact closely with the butterflies. We have here the largest moth in the world that I've been talking about earlier. So this is the Atlas moth. It is from the Philippines. So this one lives up to 7 days only. So now we can proceed here in this side, which we also have here the table or the frames for our chrysalis that the guest can see about the life cycle of the butterfly. So here you can see a frame here with our chrysalis or the pupa of the butterfly. This is the stage where the body parts of the butterfly and the beautiful color of the butterfly develop. So they rest in their house, which we call the chrysalis, for 2 to 3 weeks, and then after that they will become a beautiful adult butterfly. This is the end here in the section 1 area. So we regularly can see here that we have like fruit stands here, which we gave them fruits for them to eat also. Now we are heading into our next area, which is the second zone here in the garden, which we have here the second largest butterfly in the world. Let's go see. Actually, for the second largest butterfly in the world, which is the giant owl butterfly or the caligo butterfly, we can't see them active at this time because they are nocturnal. They are active at nighttime. So we can only see the butterflies like feed them themselves and resting at the side areas. So as you observe also at the wings of this butterfly, they are called the giant owl butterfly because you can see from the print of their wings, it's like an eye of an owl. I have here the sample of a dead butterfly. This one, you see, it's like an owl, the eye of an owl. In this section also, we made it, or our team made it, this is the jungle area where the butterflies also feel like they are in a true nature. We can also see here, like for example, like for these kids that they are enjoying also. That's why we add up other attractions like koi fishes for the kids. Now this is the end of our section 2 area. We can proceed here in the connecting area leading to the section 3. So as you can see here, we also have here like the board for the butterfly species as well as the life cycle of the butterfly as well. In this area, we usually explain to them, especially for those kids who are very scared with the butterflies, that butterflies are harmless. So now we are heading to our last section. So in this section, this is the resting area of our guests, which they can sit and have time with our butterflies. So this is one of our highlight butterfly here in the garden. As you can see, the blue morpho has a very stunning color. And based on our research as well, this beautiful blue morpho butterfly is the second most beautiful butterfly in the world. They are the fastest or the very active butterfly that we have here. So if we try to catch them, especially at this time, their active time, they're just gonna fly. So we can basically see the blue morpho, it's resting at the ground area or flying around.